How to send video from camera roll as a snap. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can send video from camera roll as a snap. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's go on with the process on how we can do it. So if you're on Snapchat and you want to send a video from a camera roll as a form of snap, so these are the process you need to follow. So open up your Snapchat. After opening up your Snapchat, you can see this filter section. Just swipe up to one of the filters. I'm swiping up to this, and when you go to the search bar, you can find the search bar here. And after going to the search bar, you're just not gonna search for camera roll. I'm just gonna search for camera roll here. Camera roll, type in that and hit that search, and when you hit that search you can find different kind of camera roll option. I'm just gonna select the first one right here, and after that is done, you may just select a video from your device that is already on your device, like this one right here. So what you're gonna do is, after selecting the video, is long press on how you usually record a video. I'm just gonna long press, and then after you have long pressed, just record until you are done playing the video. After that, simply tap on send to, and after that is done, select the person you want to send the snap to. I'm just going to select this person right here and click on send. After that, go to the chat section where you just uploaded the video, and there you can see that you have uploaded a video on the form of snap on your Snapchat. So therefore you may also follow the same process to do so. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching the video.